So after rinsing it off, I can feel that my face feels really moisturized and it's really soft. Like I really love this feeling. It feels really nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please do subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I am a junkie when it comes to beauty and skincare and makeup and hair and everything feminine, so definitely do subscribe if you haven't. In this video I'm going to share with you how to apply oats on your face. Definitely do stick around and enjoy. First of all, you have to use oats that has no preservatives, no sugar, no things that will be very damaging on your face. Really quite thick, but at the same time, fluid. Here, as you can see, I'm cleansing my face, and I think it's better to cleanse your face so that whatever nutrients or all the good stuff that's in the mask will actually be left over and actually still working during the day or during the night, whenever you choose to use it. So after washing your face, you can go straight ahead and apply the mask. But first of all, I like to apply something around my eyes. Around my eyes currently I'm experiencing some darkness, so I want to use something that will serve as a brightening agent and try and clear and lighten the darkness around my eyes. Sometimes I use honey just to serve as some hydration during the mask, and then sometimes too I use just shea butter just to serve as some nutrition and some moisture. Definitely do not be using the mascara around your eyes, because when it dries up and then when you try to blink, you'll be getting some wrinkles. I mean, it would be very disastrous. Sometimes you can't even blink because whenever it dries up, it's difficult to blink. I think it's the same with every mask. I'm going to apply aloe vera gel around my eyes. This is my homemade aloe vera, and I just taking some pump like this. Aloe vera is really good if you have a lot of dark marks. It will help to lighten it, and then also it serves as a moisturizing or hydrating agent. If you see me looking down, that's because I'm looking into my mirror. Okay, so let's just go ahead and apply the oatmeal. So first of all, you should know that oatmeal is a natural cleanser, and it also is a gentle exfoliate. What I mean by exfoliate is that it's a substance that's able to remove or help your skin get rid of dead skin cells. So I just recently found out was that it has sunscreen properties. That's one thing. That is, it has the ability to create a barrier that prevents your skin from UVA light. And it's also a moisturizing agent. Yeah, that's one thing I love about it. One major benefit I started seeing with using this oatmeal mask is that my inflammations have really reduced. I don't get much of big inflammations. When I started, I had some big bumps on this side, and they were so huge, and like it has just automatically reduced. Even sometimes immediately when I use the oatmeal, I see a significant reduction. I'm going to wait for some 15 to 20 minutes and then come back and show you the results. So this is my face after some 15 to 20 minutes, and I can't really move my face. But then if it wasn't for the honey, trust me, I wouldn't be able to talk. I've used, oatmeal without honey before, and it's not as moisturizing as this. And I think that honey adds that moisture balance to the oatmeal. And so yeah, this is how it looks like, and I think it's done working. So I'm going to wash it off now. So first of all, wash your hands. So here I'm washing my hands, and I'm about to actually, pat the wet hands on my face so that it softens the oats, so that then I can easily take it off. I do this to prevent wrinkles, because when it's really dry, it's really hard, and then I move my fingertips around in like circular motions on my face so that I can actually really benefit from the exfoliating effect of this mask. When that's done, you can just go ahead and then completely wash off the oatmeal, and then go ahead to use your facial product. So after rinsing it off, I can feel that my face feels really moisturized, and it's really soft. Like I really love this face. It's really nice. Actually moisturize my face, and just going ahead with my moisturizing routine. So after washing the oatmeal, you can just go straight ahead and apply your moisturizing lotion plus your sunscreen if you want to. That's it, and from here I will just go straight to apply my makeup. So yeah, so that's just it. If you enjoyed this video, definitely do hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed and you've watched this point, please do subscribe, and then see you in my next video. Comment down below, let me know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, I really would like to know, and I'd also like to know if you tried the oatmeal mask, or if you have, or if you haven't, or if you will. Definitely do comment, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.